On this video, we're going to take a look at this OD lead-free tinning flux.
It does come in different packages, but all of them contain the same high quality formulated tinning flux.
In addition, we're going to show you how to do the plumbing and what things you need to do to get it all done, as well as looking at how to solder the pipes with a butane cylinder and the soldering. Stay tuned for the whole video. We will be taking a look at the OD lead-free tinning flux when you're soldering pipes, if you happen to do plumbing.
It does come in different packages, but all of them contain the same high quality formulated tinning flux.
So it looks very gray and pasty. There's a brush that came with this. That's what you're going to use.
Yes, tak jest, żeby był.
Also apply it on top of the copper pipe.
Dobrze. Teraz będziesz mnie tak trzymał.
So now we're going to place a wet rag so the whole thing doesn't just heat up too much. Now we're going to use a torch. Going to grab our solder. Here's how to change a benzo torch. Just unscrew the top. And you just twist it back in. And you release the valve, just like at a barbecue. And then you just use the provided rock to light it. And you can use that to adjust the flame height and strength.
And of course, you also need a solder to connect the piping, which you can also buy as part of a package or find an independent large coil on Amazon. The one we are using is also from OD. It's lead-free alloy with 95% of tin and 5% antimony.
Nie ma dziury. Super.
And that's done. Go to the next one. I'm turning it around as it's melting in between the copper pipe and the valve. Now, if you don't have the ability to solder, you can buy additional adapters and then screw them into the copper pipe and then onto the thread. But that's just going to cost you more money. And then there you go. And they're ready to be put in.
Idziemy go założyć.
So the pipes are in, we're gonna solder them. And here you can see the connections. Alright, so we have cut this, it's not soldered yet. We've placed this in. One pipe is extended, and then the second one is right over here. And it's also extended. And then the pipes are coming in here, and you can see there's the elbows, and it's going up behind the wall, up in here, and right in there. So now we're gonna go and solder. So now we're going to be attaching it on the inside of this closet. So again, we're attaching the paste on top of the pipes. Then we're going to add them to the elbows, and then we're going to fit them in and then solder on both ends. Just be careful you don't set a fire. Usually you want to put a piece of metal kind of behind the pipe there, so that way if the flame travels, it's not going to set anything on fire. Don't do this if you have any insulation on. Alright, so we just finished soldering right here, and we're going to turn on the water. On. First test the water is coming out. Alright. Not leaking. Oh. Hey, it's coming.
And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.